In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Nala app. Sending money with the Nala app in 2025 is quick, simple, and designed to make cross-border transfers cheaper and more transparent. Nala is popular for sending money from countries like the UK, US, and parts of Europe directly to African countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and Ghana. The app combines modern fintech with mobile money systems, so you can send directly to bank accounts or mobile wallets. To begin, download the Nala Money Transfer app in here from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and sign in using your phone number or email. You'll need to verify your identity with a government issued ID and possibly a selfie, as financial regulations require Know Your Customer (KYC) checks. Once your account is verified, you can fund it by linking your debit card, bank account, or other supported payment method, depending on your country of residence. When you're ready to send money, open the app and tap on Send Money. Select the destination country and enter the recipient's details. Nala will show you the current exchange rate, transfer fee if any, and the exact amount your recipient will receive. This transparency helps you avoid hidden charges that traditional money transfer services often have. After reviewing the details, confirm the transfer and approve the payment method you've set up. The transaction is usually processed instantly when sending to mobile money wallets. Bank transfers may take a little longer depending on the institution. The recipient will receive a notification once the funds arrive, and you can also track the status of your transfer directly in the app. Nala is also known for offering fee-free transfers in many cases, and it provides real-time updates on exchange rates, making it easy to know exactly what your recipient will get. By using the app, you also gain the benefit of secure, regulated transactions with encryption and compliance standards in place. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.